Hi, this is Shankar and I welcome you all for this 8th edition of Bull's Cartel. Today, the 3rd of April 2021, I am going to give my views on Morepen Labs. Morepen Laboratories is engaged in the business of manufacturing, producing, developing and marketing wide range of active pharmaceutical ingredients, branded and generic formulations and also the home health products. From the levels of ₹7 last March, Morepen Labs has rallied more than 50 times and currently quoting at ₹34 mainly due to the remarkable turnaround in its financial grounds. The stock has a market capitalization of around 1,500 crores. Under financial grounds, it's almost a debt-free company with consistent growth in revenues. Company is also able to generate good net cash flow. But in the flip side, stock is trading at 4.5 times its book value with low return on equity. The low promoter holding along with marginal dilution by FIIs as well as institutional investors is a concern. Global pharmaceutical market is expected to grow significantly, mainly due to aging, growing population, rising income levels, emerging medical conditions and emergence of new disease. As per World Population Prospects by United Nations, the worldwide population is likely to cross 9.3 billion by 2050 and around 21% of the population is expected to be aged 60 and above. The Indian pharmaceutical industry has been growing steadily for the past several years. The industry in India is worth about $37 billion currently with exports at around 18 billion. Indian pharmaceutical sector is expected to grow to $100 billion and medical device market is expected to grow by $25 billion by 2025. The Indian pharmaceutical industry is now at the cusp of developing new molecules for treatment of various medical conditions. Many Indian firms already have molecules in clinical trials. The prices of medicine in India are lowest in the world, partly because of very high competition in the domestic markets. The low prices make the drugs acceptable everywhere in the world. With quality that is enforced by the US FDA, which has a reputation for top-notch standards, India will be able to supply quality medicines at low prices. The COVID-19 crisis provides an opportunity to the Indian pharmaceutical industry to play an even more important role in global healthcare. Morepen Labs is having significant presence in the field of antihistaminic, anti-asthmatic, anti-hypercholesterolemia, anti-hypertensive and anti-diabetic drugs and has been servicing customers both in export as well as domestic markets. Company is waiting for approval for its earlier USDMF filings and also lined up USDMF for future filings. These value additions would make Morepen very strong in antihistaminic, anti-asthmatic, anti-hypercholesterolemic and anti-diabetic drugs. Though there is drop in formulations business, brand sharing and contract manufacturing business, company has recorded significant growth in its home diagnostics and device business. Diagnostics device business is making rapid growth over last many years and has recorded a compounded annual growth rate of around 28% during the last 5 years. However, the disruptive effects of the COVID-19 has placed enormous strain on the global supply of medical products. Increasing the risk of shortages is a serious concern. Technically, the stock at the rate of 34-33 levels is trading above its 50, 100 and 200-day moving averages, along with a bullish RSI at the rate of 57 and stock RSI at the rate of around 50 levels. With that, I conclude my views on Morepen Labs. The information provided here is purely for education basis. It is neither a buy nor a sell recommendation from our side. Before taking any investment decisions, please do consult your financial advisor. Thank you.